Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day. Oh, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is courage. If you can't, who can? There's no one else that has the right intellect, the intuition, the gifts that you have. So be able to have the courage to be yourself, be original. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. You have fingerprints that are identical to no one under here, under this face of this earth. You have intellect that is matched by no one. No one has the identical gifts and passions that you are. So have the courage to be yourself. Leave your mark, because that's what legends are made of. The ones that leave their mark, that's what's going to be remembered. I'm stronger than fear and bigger than doubt. I am light and I remain light. I trust in God and stand tall before the test of life, because as tests come, we become wiser and stronger. Therefore, bigger blessings can come our way. I grow and become wiser through every challenge, and I am a being of new life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.